Welcome to a MainelyDiy.com video.
So today I'm going to use this Mega Pad by Echo Park, and it's called Christmas Salutations. There's 48 pads in here, and basically you get 3 of each design, and they're all double-sided, so I'll just do a quick preview of those. Part of the problem is there's pretty designs on both sides, so it's good that you have 3 of each page to play with. Okay, so something like this, where it doesn't have a lot of contrast, I might look at using the back side of that. It's not too exciting either, but and then you do have some plain sheets, and then the last one, you have these little kind of sentiment strips.